Alright, so welcome back. My name is Cedric on Laughing Museums. I haven't been recording anything in a long time. That's why I'm doing that here in Nice in front of the Matisse Museum in the ruins of Semenelun. Why? Why? Because I wanted to talk about my little project that I started a year ago. It's my patreon.com/laughingmuseums. If you type Cedric Audio Guides, you might find me as well. I've been doing a lot. There's 137 audios as we speak right now, but I have already recorded until the month of April 2025, and I have many more projects going on. For example, I did the museum in Vienna. I spent also some time in Budapest this summer, and I really love Budapest as well, of course. I spent some time last summer in Napoli. I spent a lot of time, about I would say 19, maybe 18 months ago, in Central America, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Belize, and I'm forgetting some, and of course Mexico. And I keep posting more and more on the subject, so you're gonna have all that coming until spring. But why am I here is mostly to explain how the entire thing works. Oh, just one thing, just right there, you see that little white point, and that's the observatory that was made by a guy named Gustave Eiffel. He made a tower in Paris that became quite famous. Most interesting, he was built by, he was assisted in that by Garnier. Garnier built the infamous opera in Paris. You see, I can't help myself, I'm just a tour guide. I'm very happy with my tour guide condition. Yes, next thing you need to know is when you get to my website, laughingmuseums.com, you just have a list, which is happening right here, and you click on whatever you want. I'm going to open other moments, like it's going to be by universes, by artists, by movement of art history, stuff like that. Then you click on the link, and then the Patreon is going to pop up. Patreon is only one price, $10 per month. Just buy it when you need it. Subscribe, unsubscribe. That's how most of the people use it. Just $10, and you can have 137 audios right now. I did some math, and I think it's more than 3 hours of audio just for $10. So I think it's worth it. Well, I'm explaining everything I saw with my own eyes, because I got only one rule. I describe only what I've seen with my own eyes. And either you can come with me straight here on the Riviera in Nice to visit Matisse, to visit here one of the most interesting and fascinating ruins of the Roman Empire, as I am building my little empire. Oh, talking about empire and empress, this morning I was recording on the Apollon, Galerie d'Apollon in the Louvre. I'm going to put some illustrations eventually, and talking about the necklace of Marie-Louise. And you know, Bonaparte had to cancel his wedding with Josephine as he couldn't have an heir, and he married Marie-Louise from Austria. Marie-Louise, grand niece of Marie Antoinette, queen wife of Louis XVI, of course. And that's why Napoleon liked to say, I am cousin with Louis XVI. No, and why I say I'm building my own little empire, because there's more and more audios, and I'm very happy to wear a queen. You got the Regina that was built for the Queen Victoria, and Matisse Museum used to have a studio in there. Enough art history. No, I say I'm building my own little empire because we always forget that Napoleon was a bum. He was homeless here in Nice. He was just an unemployed soldier, and so he got nowhere to go. And that was just a few years, like a big decade before, he offered that fantastic set of emeralds, not sure I'm pronouncing that well, to Marie-Louise for 1.3 million euros. Yes, I did translate the French from the 1810s, the early 19th century, 200 years ago. So I don't know where you are in your life right now, but whatever it is, there's always ups and downs, even for an emperor as Napoleon. And yes, a few downs are coming for him a little later, but well, enjoy and the carpe diem of the moment for sure. What else I wanted to say? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that video to explain how it works. So basically, either you go on patreon.com/laughingmuseums or just on laughingmuseums.com. The idea is you click on it. You can always listen to 10 seconds for free. So see, what is my style? My style is trying to explain art history without complex, so in the simplest way I can do it, right? And so you just click on it and then you will have the illustration. You have extra illustrations. For example, I did another necklace of sapphires that was belonging to Hortense. Hortense was the daughter of Josephine, and she's the one posing in the coronation of Josephine because Napoleon didn't want Josephine to pose her there, and she's the one who sold that necklace to Amélie, Marie-Amélie, a little bit later, the wife of Louis Philippe, the last king of the French, right? Another something around 160,000 francs, if I recall. So just click on it. Just please subscribe. You can also subscribe to my Patreon for free. So whenever something is popping up that might interest you, you can click, get those $10. I'm opening also visits. You got a visit of the Louvre, you got a visit of the d'Orsay, and you got a visit of the Chagall museums here in Nice, room by room. So you just can follow my audios and I'm describing everything I see. Why am I not doing a museum such as the Matisse right there? Well, it's very simple. It's mostly because they do only temporary exhibits, so they change all the time. One I'm opening very soon is a MAC Foundation in Nice, which you can find already, but there's going to be a room-to-room visit as well, as they finally open a permanent collection. I'm very happy with that, of course, right? That's all I have to say, most of it. Sorry, it was interrupted by art history because you can't get enough of art history. My name is Cedric. Thank you so much for watching and for enjoying the splendors here on the Riviera. You guys, no matter what you do, if you're not doing it with a smile, well, you might be doing it wrong.